Picking up where we left off, trying to get up enough footage for another video, because if all works out, I may have to take a little bit of time off from this project. I'll tell you at the end of this video what I'm working on, but let's get to it. Whoa, what's up y'all? Y'all check it out. Fresh cut, whatever. Hey, I just want to say, if you're liking what you're seeing, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you know when I'm posting more videos just like this one. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Whoa, look at that. Man, that was some hard work. Got me breaking a sweat up in here. I can definitely tell that warmer weather is right around the corner. I still want to dress that up in there, get some of that taken care of. I got to work on fine tuning all of that. But I mean, other than that, and then I got to cut, I only left about a 1/2 inch lip on my flange. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. But yeah, dressing all that up in there. Fine tuning that, and then after all that work that I did here, see if I can get something. Wow, I got a few little spots right there, one right there, boom boom boom, nothing. I'm telling you, it's really coming together. We'll get on this some more. All right, here we go. Ooh. Getting ready to trim this up, just like I did on the other side. Let's get to it. So it took me long enough to build both of these sides from scratch. We're talking from start to finish. It went from a concept in my head. I drew some designs out on paper, come down to how I wanted it to flow, how I wanted it to fit, everything from the scallops to how it protrudes. Even this air box, that's exactly what that's going to be. I haven't cut my hole yet. That's a future project. However, I feel like I got them ready for some high build primer and doing a block sand. The one thing that I want to point out is anything like this does take time. Therefore, moving forward, I'm going to be working on the front fenders. Knowing that's going to take a little bit of time, and I got something else that I'm needing to work on between now and then, I'm going to share that with y'all right now. So this whole section of my shop, I'm going to kick out, come up right about in here, and it's going to be an addition. Looking at getting something that's just dedicated, like a clean shop. You know, all my dirty work's going to be done in there. Anything clean is going to be done in here, and I'll definitely be posting some of that while I'm doing it. I don't know when I'll get that to you guys. I'm really excited. This is something I've been needing to do for a really long time now, and I'm ready to pull the trigger on it. So that's what's probably about to happen. What it boils down to, let's face it, as dirty as it gets in here with everything that I do, because in here I do my engine swaps. That's what that I-beam's for. Engine swaps, any kind of minor tune-up type stuff. Everything that I do outside of painting is going to be done in here. Now, when I've painted in the past, I've painted in here. Y'all have seen that in past videos. Even way before I started this YouTube channel, I was doing all my painting in here. That's my exhaust fan. That's my ventilation filter coming in. But let's face it, this isn't super clean. It's not what you would expect out of anything like that. However, I have produced show-winning paint jobs in here. It just takes a lot of work, a lot of cleanup. I'm kind of over that. It takes too long to get this thing converted over and ready for that kind of work. So with that being said, if I build me something that's dedicated for just clean work like that, that would help me out a ton. That'd be really good, especially if I get into carbon fiber. I keep the dust out of the carbon fiber. Fiberglass, you're not too worried about because you're probably going to cover it up. I mean, you can't see through a gel coat or nothing like that anyways. However, it'd be nice to do some of that over there too. All I'm getting at is this is something I'm really needing to do, and it's going to be worth it for me to take a little bit of time away from this, because the fenders and building a hood and possibly a spoiler is going to take a long time. I'm really glad that y'all been on this journey with me. These rear quarters, it's been a lot of fun making them. I'm super proud of them. I love how they've turned out. But yeah, that's about it. All right, we got one more thing to take care of before I wrap this one up. And that's right here. Boom. We got to take care of that. Let's do it. All right, there we go. Man, that looks good. And then you open this thing up. Now, I got to do some trimming inside here to get my neck to actually fit. But I do got my holes drilled already for my neck to bolt up. And then just got it plumbed in, pipe to the fuel tank. Boom. She's ready. Man, I tell you what, I am so happy with this. Check that out. Dang. I'm just I can't even put it into words how crazy I am about this wide body. I'm telling you, I'm really glad y'all came along with me for the ride. I can't get over this. I mean, yeah, I got my blanket on it here, but dang, this thing is like, you know what I'm saying? Oh man. Up next for this car, the plan is to start on the front fenders. Let's get them things widened out. They're going to be a modified CRX fender because I am doing a CRX front end conversion on this. I mean, you know how I do. I just like to change things up. So let's see about that. I mean, I already got the CRX dash. She's a little dirty, but that cleans right up. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. other than I am excited about this project. The more I do to it, the more I fall in love with it. And it's just like, you know what I'm saying? But look at that body line. Falling right in. Boom. Can't wait to see some trim or something up on that. Jesus. I'm in love with it.